Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Welcome to Amabenz on TV. Let's step back to a premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Durban City 0. I'm joined by Dudula. Hey, and Foxy. Mr. Wenza umsebenzi nayiTS Galaxy wenza umsebenzi Swansea umsebenzi soyithu Swansea umsebenzi soyithu laba bahlulekile ukwenza umsebenzi namhlanje eDurban City ifikile namhlanje ifikile sathi stock sanyathanda igameplan yakhona eze ngayo ngokuthi izobabamba nge-mid block ibabamba nge-mid block kodwa ke kwenzekile lokho kwenzekile namhlanje ngithi mina ngiyabadabukela bafowethu Swansea umsebenzi omkhulu nalobhuti kakhulu Swansea umsebenzi omkhulu nalobhuti angazi mina yimi manje lento abahlula kuzenzela umsebenzi namhlanje opolisi ukuzama wathi wenzani nangumfukenge uthi yazama hayi nix bafowethu Durban City thing la iDurban City lokhu thing la laba bayazama khona abahlulekile ngani chess
Stibo, congratulations, Baba. Butsa.
Tell me when it's waiting for what? Waiting for what? Forward leadership.
Before
he's going to the World Cup. Let's go.
Before hey, Stibo, I'm interview like English. You practice at the World Cup. Hurry, interview like English.
Squad is still.
Practice.
Squad is still.
Okay, no, sharp. Mamela, roller span, rishune span, but then problem. But where shunela span, but never disappoint. Bahlule, no. And then our problem, maybe it's our camera, Yambombele interesting.
Yeah.
So we are all going there, and then we are going there. Now today next support the Pirates.
Yes.
But then now if Badala draw, the next game, ki support the Obi.
Yes.